Hi guys, welcome to the Deriv channel. I'm super excited to bring you guys this wonderful boom and crash spike strategy. Strategies I could say is one of the best spike catching strategy you could be using to make crazy money trading boom and crash. You could see this is not a jerk strategy and it's one of the effective strategy I could see that can make a trader massive money trading boom and crash. So this is not a joke strategy. You can see this is the $5,000 profit mechanic and it's already been passed with just one trace. Okay, with just one trace, it's already been passed. So this is your boy the Deriv channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the post notification so that I put a strategy, you guys will be aware. So I just brought one of my mentees brought this profile account, and then I put a signal in group and I told everyone to buy, but eventually we do close earlier. But one of my mentee usually holds the trace, and then later at the same day within the short period of let's say 6 hours is already been able to profit that profit account. Okay, so this is not the joke strategy, and this is strategy that I do use this for the signal, and this strategy that I do use for this to catch this crazy movement with just trading bomb and crash spike strategy. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your post notification. If you upload new strategy, new content, YouTube will surely notify you. Also, we do something, we offer account management. Okay, if you want us to manage your account, just contact the number you are seeing at the screen, then we are going to offer you account management. So with that being said, we also do something, we give people benefits by joining our Telegram channel for free signals. Okay, the Telegram channel is totally for free and you can join. The link is going to be in the description below, so you can join for free signals. So that's all you can see. You can see now that the market keep on spiking. The market keep on spiking. We keep on making money right here. We keep on making money right here. So I think we told, let me give me some some minutes. Let me help him close all the positions. So it's already been money making here. So I think it should close all the position, and you can see this is not a joke strategy. This is not a joke strategy. So now let's dive into this strategy. Let's dive to this strategy. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this strategy. So now the first thing you need to do is just go to this icon you are seeing at the top. So that's the icon you are going to add to. So don't do this icon. Then when you get to that icon, then you are going to be adding your setup. So in today's video, before I forgot, I'm going to teach you guys the setup for this strategy. I'm going to teach you guys that, and I'm also going to teach you a confirmation. To every confirmation you need before taking any entries using this strategy, I'm going to teach you guys all that. And then I'm going to teach you guys where you are going to enter your trades with this strategy, and I'm also going to teach you guys where you are going to exit your trades with this strategy. And the last one, because as a trader, you need to be setting your stop loss. So I'm teaching you stop target. Okay, which is the stop loss I'm teaching you guys as well in this video. So we'll be starting from the setup of this strategy, starting from the settings. So now when you get here, then click on the F plus, which you are seeing right here. Just click on the F plus, then you are going to first add in your moving average. So this is the parameters for the moving average. We are going to do the period of 15, 0. The method is linear width, apply to close, and the style you can choose any color of your choice. So when you set that up, then click on done, and you are going to have your moving average right in your chart. And then the next indicator we are going to be needing is going to be in our indicator window one. Now to add indicator to your indicator window one, just all you have to do, just click on this F plus as well. Then when you click on the indicator you are going to add, it's automatically going to add into your indicator window one, so which is going to be our relative strength index, which is RSI. So this is the parameters for the RSI. So the P is going to be 14, apply to close. This time is not necessarily. So the levels, this is the levels, guys. So we are using the 10 levels for buy, for that's for crash, and then the 90 levels for sell, that's for bomb, and then the 50 level, that's for our TP. So we'll be using the black color. You can choose color of your choice. So when you set that up, then click on done, and you have your relative strength index. Now the last indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be in our indicator window one. Okay, so just click on the F plus, then search your CCI, which is Commodity Channel Index. Okay, when you set that up, these are the parameters. The period is going to be your trade applied to typical price HS. HS is /3. So this time I'm going to be using my red color. So I think the level is not necessarily, and the time frame we are going to be using now. That's one doesn't concern us. So we set that up. This is how everything is going to look like. This is how everything is going to look like. So expecting to TP right at this area, but eventually, since we have already been in a $2,000 profit, so that's why we close out these trades. So now to the strategy, we're only going to be using strategy on 2 10 frames. We're going to be using strategy on 2 10 frames. So now the first 10 frame we need to be using strategy is the 15-minute time frame. That is the main time frame to be using a strategy. That's the main time frame, and also you can be using your 1 hour. So if you are, let's say, if you're a swing trader, you can be using 1 hour. But the major time frame is the 15-minute time frame. Now to do the strategy now, but I told you guys the settings for the strategy. Now the next thing I'm talking about is the confirmation you need for the strategy. Before I told you guys the entry, exit, and then the stop and target. So in the explanation of my confirmation, I'll be input the entries and exits right at that confirmation. So now for the zoom level, just zoom out completely, then zoom in once. That's all you need. So that is zoom level. So now to build a strategy, you just need this is what we need. You can see something right here. When the market, when the moving average is more currently when the moving average is moving above the price, which means that the price is moving below the moving average. You can see eventually when this happens, this is the spike. Let me zoom so you guys can see. So this is spike that broken, that shoots up to what, to close above the moving average. When that happens, then we can see these little red candles. Now when the price move above the moving average, we are expecting the price to come back to this moving average you are seeing right here. We are expecting the price to come back to this moving average you are seeing right here. So when the price come back to this moving average, I'm expecting you guys to open your positions. I told you guys that we closed too earlier, but just want my mentee just hold it straight, because eventually when this candle close, that is where we leave the market, but my market move a little bit and then keep on spiking to the top side. So now I'm using the trade that we took as an example. So when it touches this moving average, I'm expecting you guys to hold your trade and set your stop. Now I'm talking about stop now. Set your stop above this red candle you're seeing right here. Below it. Below it, little bit below it. Let me give you an example. So I'm expecting to set your stop below it right here, and then I'm expecting to take your TP around this next resistance area, or you can use the next resistance area. Just make sure you use the resistance area for your TP. Okay, that is for your TP. I've already shown you guys the entry, the exit, confirmation, and the stop and your target. Okay, that is for this strategy. That's for based on boom. So let me show you guys one more example. Show you guys one more clear example right here. Let me show you guys one more. So before I jump into now, remember now one more thing before I forget. Now, when that confirmation have been made in the price, in the moving average, so the next confirmation you need to see your indicator window is this confirmation area right here, which you can see the CCR touching the 10 levels of the RSI. So when that occurs, and you also see what I told you guys here in the main chart, then I'm expecting you guys should go for your buy, and then you're going to make your money. So same things right here. This is another sample right here. So you can see when the price shoots moving above the moving average, then it's come back to this moving average, spike a little bit, but eventually broken the moving average. So I'm expecting you should try and hold. If you try and hold a little bit right here, then you are going to make your money. are going to make your creativity market spike. But eventually, when you first open your trade, I'm very sure you are already making little money because it's spike when you open your trades. Okay, when you open your trades, it spike. So that's how you guys are going to make use of this strategy. Now, let me show you guys how you can make use of this strategy as well on crash. So I want to show you guys how you can make use of this strategy on crash as well. So, now to make use of this strategy on crash, this is what you need to see. So you can see right here. You can see right here when the market move below, when the spike move below the moving average, you can see when it eventually come back to this moving average, it starts spiking to the downside. It starts spiking aggressively to the downside. You can see this is the confirmation here on the indicator window one, which you are seeing right here. The CCI touching the net levels of the RSI. So that's when you open our position and you can see we are already making massive money. Yeah, I'm expecting you set your stop below, setting your stop below the last candle, set your stop below this next candle, and your TP should be right here. Your TP should be right here, or setting your TP right here. So that is where I'm expecting you guys to set your TP and your stop and your entries. We have already you guys everything you need to know about the strategy. So if you're new to the Deriv channel, just do us a favor by, so if you're new to the Deriv channel, just do a favor by subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also turn on post notification. First I post in strategy, you guys should be aware. Also, guys, we offer account management. Don't forget to contact the number you are seeing at the screen for account management. So you can also join our Telegram channel for free signals. The link is going to be in the description below. So you can join our Telegram channel for free signals. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.